First of all, I want to acknowledge the presence of my dear friend Sridhar Babu Garu, because this is true Hyderabadi tehzeeb, as they say. You know, though we are in different states now, in certain circumstances and conditions, that relationship, that bonding, that really reflects how we all think alike when it comes to establishing this kind of a friendship that should take us further down the road. So keeping up that tehzeeb was so very nice of you to be here. Thank you very much. And of course, TG Bharat Garu for being here as part of the launch of this program. He's been working very hard in trying to promote the industrial policy in Andhra Pradesh, which is quite a bit of a task right now because what we are facing is the economic conditions and of course building up brand Amravati and Andhra Pradesh, which went down the tube 5 years ago. I have journeyed a lot with Vishwa, so I know his commitment, his hard work, and he's definitely an inspiration for most of India's youth. And the two-wheeler segment which he's aiming at is very appropriate because 70% of the population still lives in rural India. And coming up with solutions, coming up with alternative opportunities for the youth to look at employment rather than the same traditional way, I think will drive up the economy. And Things is a fantastic brand to come forward. I have heard about it from him from 5 years now, but to actually happen, make it a reality is something which makes us all feel proud for him and for the team. Thank you so much for inviting me and I love to be part of this wonderful program. And before I conclude, I want to thanks once again to my dear friend Sridhar Babu Garu and of course TG Bharat Garu. To Vishwa, God bless you. All the best to you and your complete team. God bless.